Welcome to week 29. Can't believe that it's already this far along in the school year. I know I say that all the time, I guess because I'm getting old. Time just changes and goes a whole lot faster. But anyway, this week on Monday we have a practice test for geometry, and on Tuesday we have the real test. If you don't do well Monday and you have questions, make sure we do a Google Meet or something. I don't want you taking the test if you did poorly on the practice test. So please don't move forward till you contact me and we work on that. On Wednesday, we are going to start the last unit of your 7th grade curriculum, which is statistics and probability. And we're going to start with random sampling on Wednesday. You will also do your math ISIP test in iStation on Wednesday, and then on Thursday will be a review for mean, median, and mode. I feel like probably a lot of you remember that. Just a quick refresher is probably all we need. And then on Friday we're going to do mean, median, and mode, but we're going to do it using graphs and tables and charts and all that kind of good stuff. So I hope you have a great week, and remember, if you have questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me.